Imagine if you could send money to anyone, anywhere in the world, without asking a bank for permission. No middlemen, no waiting, no hidden fees. That's what Bitcoin does. But how does it actually work? Let's break it down like you're 5. Think of Bitcoin like a giant notebook in the sky. This notebook keeps track of every transaction, who sent what to whom. But here's the twist. Everyone can see the notebook, and no one can erase or cheat it. This notebook is called the blockchain. The blockchain is like a book made up of pages. Every time people send Bitcoin, those transactions are collected on a page. We call that a block. Once the page is full, it gets sealed and added to the book forever. That's why it's called a chain of blocks. Blockchain. But who writes the pages? That's where miners come in. Miners are like security guards who make sure every page is accurate and follows the rules. They use powerful computers to solve puzzles. Think of it like a treasure hunt. Once they solve the puzzle, they get to add the page and earn some Bitcoin as a reward. Because no one can change the pages once they're added. That makes Bitcoin secure, fair, and decentralized, meaning no one is in control. It's like the entire world is playing by the same transparent rules. Bitcoin gives you freedom to send, receive, and own money that's not controlled by any bank or government. In places where money is unstable, Bitcoin can be a lifeline. Still curious about Bitcoin? Subscribe to Block and learn for more videos where we simplify Bitcoin and blockchain with easy stories, no tech jargon. And if this helped, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who still thinks Bitcoin is too complicated.